starting off with my room right now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I am extremely grateful to even have my own room. There was one point in my life where I was sharing a room with my sister, and then during COVID, I moved into her old room, and yeah, it has a very bright natural light to it and has very bright furniture, and I just didn't think it captured my personality or evoke the mood that I wanted it to. And so yeah, I just hope that you enjoy pushing the boundaries of what I could do with this room and what I could grab and what I could pull from. And so some inspirations was Mia Sayoko with her apartment tour, as well as Lynn Trong. I am very big fans of them and the ways that they have grown on YouTube and the ways that they creatively push the boundaries when it comes to apartments, and as well as inspiration pulling from Pinterest and looking up Victorian or Gothic or antiques that would match the mood. So here I am starting off cleaning my room, and I got scared, but yeah, here I am, and I can reach, and here I am cleaning my room. I thought that this process was actually going to be more sentimental than I thought, but it actually took me like 10 minutes, and it was fairly easy, and I think it was because of that reassurance that I knew that it was going to come back up again. But yeah, I hate tape, and it was kind of difficult to take off my wall, and so thankfully I decided to paint over it, and here it is. It feels like I was moving out, but then all my stuff was on the bed, so yeah. Anyways, so then I started to take down the magazine cutouts that I've had over the years, and then I took down the pieces that were around my space as I'm getting ready to paint my room, and as well as hide all of these items that I've kept over time. And oop. And oop. And oop. So one by one, I started taking off the items off my desk, and I realized that as much as I love this desk, I wanted to sell it. And so as I was getting all these items off, I wanted to make sure it was in good condition, and I wanted to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. If you don't know what Facebook Marketplace is, it's basically through Facebook tied to your profile, and you get to sell whatever you want. And I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace. Little tip, I got this for $50, but I sold it for $80. So yeah, just set the price higher than you think it is and just see how it turns out. Oh, and here is my little dog in a Christmas sweater. I just gave him a haircut, and so he was really cold, and here he is trying to get comfortable on my bed, and then my jacket because he likes how it smells like me. Hee hee. And then one by one, I started to tape off the edges of where I didn't want tape to get on. There is my dog Bruno. Hello, sir. And this was to make sure that it didn't get on any of the white spots, and making sure to practice safety procedures when it comes to painting. Make sure that there's proper ventilation, and making sure that the floor is covered or nothing important is in the way. And then here I am moving my bookshelf and my easel in order to make way to take off my curtains in order to get ready to paint.
What?
Just here.
Look, clean the floor.
I know, I'm not done. Okay, thanks.
이거 clean the whole.
Okay, thanks. Bye. And
Hey,
조심하세요.
oh,
내 새끼야. 우리 내 편. 우리 내 편. Oh gosh.
you didn't tell me what's behind me?
어? Supposed to see. Okay. I That's so funny. 이게 왜 필요해? I don't need it. Why do you need this? I don't need it. It's just for fun.
You didn't clean? Oh,
No, just put it on top. Put it on top. Over there.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Thank you.
네.
Where?
Here.
What?
Over.
Huh? Corner?
Let's stand it. Let's stand it up.
No, go.
Okay.
Wait, the corner?
Yeah. Can you reach though? Boy.
Lift. Yeah, walk, lift. Lift.
Oh. Okay.
Move.
Right? Wow. Wow, 좋다.
Anta.
Thank you. Wow, it's perfect. Appa.
So today is March 10th, Friday, and yeah, I actually got this apothecary hutch cabinet from the Facebook Marketplace, and it was very affordable, and I liked how it matched the tone of my room, and it has a key in it, you guys. I love lockets and trinkets and stuff like that, and yeah, I was able to personalize it with some knickknacks, and I don't even read these books. And with the second part of this hutch cabinet, I was able to fill it up with more little nicks and knacks with things that I've collected over the years, and I was able to fill it up to its full capacity. So starting off with my wall, I have had this same design over a couple years now. I have changed my room a couple of times, and it was always the same arrangement, and so I definitely wanted to do it differently, and so I wanted to utilize this little corner. I used to have a guitar hanging here, and so instead I just used more of the wall space, and that was really weird, but I think it worked out well. I think it definitely points the room to my bed. So this flooring, there are these vinyl Amazon stickers, and they're checkered, and there were 10 pieces each, or 5 pieces each for black and whites, and it reminded me of the classic painter Rembrandt. And that concludes my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just replaced my bedding with this maroon bedding, and I thought that was very Victorian or English style. And Bruno is sleeping on my bed. I also included this bench that I've had for as long I've lived. I've had it at my whole old house, and yeah, there are just these little shots that I have of the room that I really like. I have this faux vinyl sticker glass that gives it that stained glass look, and yeah, I just really think this room now captures my mood, my personality, and it is a little chaotic since I'm very much a maximalist, but yeah, I love every single corner of my room, and I love looking at it when I wake up. And so yeah, all the items and objects are listed down below, and so yeah, comment what you liked about the room and what you could see change over time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.